Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, says as far as the Prime Minister's review meeting with DMs is concerned that it wasn't a one-way communication but one-way insult. It was one leader and all humiliation. So Mamata Banerjee there once again slamming the review meeting. Let's go across to Megha Prasad, my colleague, senior editor on the broadcast. We also have Tamal joining us. Megha, Mamata Banerjee is once again slamming the centre, the Prime Minister, the entire system of review meetings. She says this was not one-way communication, but one-way insult.
Well, Swati, the Chief Minister, of course, has chosen to sort of speak about the Prime Minister and the meeting that was held today in quite a disrespectful manner. Let's note here that Mamata Banerjee was not the only person who was there present in the meeting by way of a Chief Minister. There were other Chief Ministers also in that meeting. Nobody had anything similar to say. I mean, it's a normal meeting between the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, and the district magistrates. Remember that it was Mamata herself. And let's understand the context here. It was Mamata herself, Swati, when the information was shared from the center that the Prime Minister will be sitting down with the district magistrates. Mamata Banerjee was the one to protest to say, why will the chief ministers not be included in that meeting? So why am I giving you this context? Because one, she protested right at the beginning that she wanted all the chief ministers of those states from where the district magistrates will be present for the meeting to be part of that meeting. They should be included. So the Prime Minister's office then decided on including the chief ministers because she, tried to fight that out, saying that we should also be sitting. And once the meeting today happens, she says, well, we were all only called here to be insulted. It was a one-way insult and there was just one leader talking and we were not given a chance to talk, etc. Well, this meeting, the structure of the meeting was such that it was Prime Minister wanting to talk to the district magistrates. He wanted to touch base with the, the lowest administration unit there in the state and find out exactly what's going on, help them understand, the way ahead and perhaps give them the guidance they required. And she was the one who bulldozed her way. But then quickly here, I want to add, Swati, that Mamata Banerjee has had a history of doing this. It is not something new to her, and the administration here in the center also is very well versed with her behavior. She started this in 2014 when Narendra Modi took over as the Prime Minister. From 2014, I can I tell you countless number of meetings where she has decided not to attend and speak about these meetings in quite a derogatory manner, whether it was in the last 2 years, whether it has been about meetings on COVID, or it has been in the earlier years about meeting about planning panel, about Niti Aayog meetings, about One Nation, One Poll meeting. There's so many meetings that she decided on skipping. And today, I must tell you this, Swati, that today one of her district magistrates, the district magistrate of 24 North Pargana, was slated to speak. She protested and got that speech cancelled. So the DM from West Bengal, who was in the list of those district magistrates who will make a presentation before the PM and speak, she got that cancelled. And now she's turning around and complaining that nobody was given a chance to speak in that meeting. So
in fact, Megha, we have the Chief Minister's reaction. Let's listen in to what she said.
It was just a casual super flock meeting. We, the chief ministers, are feeling insulted and humiliated. And we are astonished to see that Prime Minister called a meeting and invited the chief ministers. And all the chief ministers were sitting just like puppet. Nobody is allowed to speak. Then how do we speak about the public demand? We never ask about the COVID vaccine. They never ask about the medicine position. They never ask about the oxygen position. They never ask about the remdesivir, the medicine, the urgent, what is not available in the market now. They didn't ask us for the black fungus, that new disease.
Well, on the broadcast, Tamal, Mamata Banerjee says we, the chief ministers, have been insulted. She only seems to be the one who's sharing this feedback every time a review meeting takes place.
Well, it's a fact that chief ministers were called in the meeting, and Mamata Banerjee from day one has always maintained that there is something called federal structure, and that cannot be, meddled with. Yes, the meeting was initially called between the prime minister and the district magistrate, but it's a fact that the chief minister was later on invited, and just not she, but other chief ministers as well. It's a different fact that she was the only one to have protested, but the chief ministers were called. So today, Mamata Banerjee, after the prime minister's meeting, is trying to question the intent of the prime minister, not allowing the chief ministers to speak at the first place, and thus she is saying as whether the chief ministers are puppets or bonded labor, that they would just sit down and listen to what the prime minister is saying and not get an opportunity to put forth the perspective on behalf of the state. She is questioning as whether the central government has invested enough to ensure that vaccination drive continues. She's saying there is vaccination crisis in the state. She's also saying that remdesivir medicine is not available, for which too she's quietly holding the central government responsible.
Alright.
She is saying that oxygen crisis, which is there in the country, could have been addressed provided the chief ministers could have spoken. And very quick point, Swati, towards the end, she also said that there is dictatorship going on, and come 2024, it would be a fight between democracy and dictatorship, for which she wants every other chief minister to speak out, unite.
All right, Tamal and Megha, thank you very much for getting us the details. I have to take a very quick break on the broadcast. A lot more is lined up on the other side as well.